Hey guys, it's Kevin Yute here from Voy Media, and I want to give you guys a special offer, a free Facebook Ad Academy course for free this week. It's a $1,000 course we're giving away for free. And really with this course, I want to teach you guys everything that you want to be doing in order to help your ads with the iOS 14. Let me jump right in to show you what you guys will learn with this course. So in this course, we have 6 chapters, over 25 different videos. And in this course, you're going to learn introduction to direct response assets, how we think about it here at Voy, how we're scaling brands with pure direct response, talk about different marketing angles, talk about user-generated content, how to find inspiration for all this, formulas you should follow. And again, we're going to be talking about something called high-volume creatives that's going to help you really scale up. And then we have chapter 2, which is introduction to ad targeting, building up buyer personas, finding out those value props, and again, using this for sort of funnel segmentation. Then we have chapter 3, which is the full funnel approach. Top of the funnel campaigns, middle of the funnel campaigns, bottom funnel campaigns, and then retention and loyalty ads to really get your ROAS back up. And again, to really increase your customer lifetime value, which is what you need to be doing now with this new iOS update. And then we have chapter 4, which is introduction to media buying, talking about the perfect column setup, the metrics we're going to explain to you, the budget allocation, different campaign structures, and campaign/ad setup as well. Then we have chapter 5, which is introduction to testing and optimizing. Really, which test should you start off with? How do you set up your experiments? How do you do this in a way that's budget efficient and also that makes sense for your company at the stage that you're in? And then ultimately, we have chapter 6, which is introduction to scaling. Here we'll talk about how do we scale campaigns to 20, 30K a day. And really, this is probably one of the most important chapters out there that you can learn. Like I said, it's free for this week only. Just click on the link below. And again, join the course and we'll see you inside. Thanks.